Manufacturing Excellence Forum does an incredible job of helping manufacturers build, grow and meet demand. And at FWD Fest 2022, that was taken to a whole new level.
Our job is really to facilitate the creation or the advancement of our manufacturing ecosystem up here on the Sunshine Coast. We've been wanting to do a defence manufacturing event for a long time, and we've had the option to bring in a really high profile VIP in the form of Alexander Volkanovski for a little while, but we didn't really have something that was going to be big enough or grand enough to be able to do that, and FWD Fest really became that opportunity. And if I think about what that event would have been if we had have tried to have done it by ourselves versus what we've got now with the support of Silicon Coast and in particular Renee, it's so much better and so much richer.
What I really hope businesses took away from the event is the new opportunities and ways that they can build upon the capabilities of their current workforce and ways that they can meet emerging needs.
We're extremely grateful to everybody that's come and spent their time contributing into our ecosystem. That's the SMEs and all of our other keynote speakers. It takes a village, and we've really experienced that today, and it's been fantastic.